Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Python is an object-oriented programming (OOP) language, which means it uses classes and objects to structure and organize code. Classes provide a blueprint for creating objects, which are instances of a class. In this tutorial, we'll explore the fundamentals of classes in Python with code examples. A class is a user-defined data type that defines a blueprint for creating objects. It consists of attributes, variables, and methods, functions, that define the behavior and characteristics of the objects created from the class. Think of a class as a template for creating objects with shared properties and behaviors. To create a class in Python, you use the class keyword, followed by the class name. Here's a simple example of a class called person. In the code above. In the example above, name and age are instance attributes because they are specific to each instance of the person class. You can also define class attributes that are shared among all instances of the class. Here's an example. In this example, species is a class attribute shared by all instances of the dog class, while name and breed are instance attributes specific to each dog. A class can also have methods that perform actions on the class or its instances. These methods take self as the first parameter, which refers to the instance itself. Here's an example with a class method. In this example, the area and circumference methods calculate the area and circumference of a circle, respectively, based on the provided radius. One of the powerful features of OOP is inheritance. It allows you to create a new class that inherits attributes and methods from an existing class. The new class is called a subclass, and the existing class is called the superclass. Here's an example. In this example, both dog and cat are subclasses of the animal class. They inherit the name attribute from the superclass and provide their own implementation of the speak method. Classes are a fundamental concept in object-oriented programming and Python. They allow you to create reusable and organized code by defining blueprints for objects and encapsulating data and behavior. With the knowledge gained from this tutorial, you can start building more complex and organized Python programs using classes and objects. ChatGPT